What are the financial functions today we are going to learn is rate, PMT, NPER, and PV and FV. So first we will start with rate function. So the rate function calculates the interest rate per period of an for an annuity for of an loan or investment. So when means when we pay loans and when we pay loans interest, we need to know the loan interest rate. So by this we can come to know. And first we will go. First we will go to first we will click and then equal to. So then we will type rate, then open bracket, then NPER. NPER means how many months we are going to pay that installments. That is 36, 36. And then PMT means how much amount we are going to pay per period. So it is 200 and minus present value. What is the present value of the loan? This. So by this we can find the rate function per period. It is 2%. Then we are going to know about PMT. So PMT calculates a fixed periodic amount for a loan or investment based on a constant interest rate and a fixed number of payment periods. So there are fixed number of payment periods as 48, right? And the investment is 15,000. And the interest rate, how we calculated this interest rate is as it was given 6.5. Then we divided by 100. It will convert it to percentage. Then uh, then we should divide by 12 because we should find it per month. Yes, it is as it is given it is a fixed periodic amount. So per month we are going to get. So we should calculate per month. So I have divided by it by 12. So when we give equal to and then we give PMT. So first it is asking rate. So we will select this cell, and next it is asking NPER. So how many months? It will be 48 months. Yeah, then it is asking present value. So it is 15,000. Now it will close and enter it. So it is 355.74, right? And then we will go to NPER. NPER means the NPER function calculates the number of periods for a loan or investment based on a constant payment and interest rate using formula. So NPER shows the how many months you are going to pay that loan and how many months you are going to get the interest of the investment. So as we can give equal to, then we will type NPER, and then we will first we want rate, and we will select this column, comma, and it is asking MPT, see PMT, and then we will give PV, right? Then we will close it and we will give enter. It will give the proper and it will not give the approx value, but it will give the exact value. Yeah. Then we will go to FV function. So when we will we will click equal to FV, open bracket. First it is asking rate. What is the rate? It is 10 percentage. Yeah, then we will select this cell, and next it is asking NPER. So now how many years it will take? 5 years it will take. And then it will then we do periodic investment. So the periodic investment is 3000. Yes, PMT. Then we will close it and we will give an enter. And so then we will give, then we should find PV, present value. FV means future value. So PV, we will enter PV and we will go open bracket. So that is asking first rate function, Then it will give. Then we will give NPER 5 years, and then it will give PMT. Then we'll enter it, and it gives the exact value and not the approx value. So from here we have completed the financial functions. And one more thing about the financial functions. If you if One more thing about financial functions. Uh, if you don't want to enter it with equal to or zero, you can select a cell and then go to insert. Sorry, then go to formulas. There are financial functions, and you can see that there is FV, 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 uh, FV function, and then PMT functions and PV rate. Yeah, first we will find rate as an example. So it is the so when we click rate, it is showing a dialog box. So the dialog box is asking about the NPER, PMT, and PV. So we will select the cells again. Then next, then PV PMT is minus 200. Then PV is 5,000, right? Then we will click OK. That is 2%. Yeah, it gives like that. And we will find PMT. One more time we find PMT. Yeah, so it is PMT in the same area. I'm finding PMT. Wait, I'll change the cell. We'll change it to here, and we will again click to PMT. Then it is asking rate NPR PV. So first rate, what is the rate? 0.4554, and what is the NPR? 48 months, and what is P 15,000. Yeah. Then you will click enter. It's giving the same value as we have find here, as we found here. Next NPER. So it is again asking the rate, same it is asking the rate, PMT and PV. So first we will give the rate 3%. We are selecting the cells. So there, so when we want to change other values, then then we will change. The answer will also change. Otherwise, when we enter only the values, it will not change the answer. It will only be the same, and the input will be different, right? So if we want to change the answers when you give any other inputs, so you should select the cells, not the numbers. Yeah. Then we'll click on this cell, PMD cell, and last PV cell. So and then when you click OK, it will give the same exact answer. And now we will click here, and we will find the last FV and PV, right? It is asking first rate, then yeah, sorry, we should not click enter directly. First, okay, FV. So it is asking, yes, interest rate, NPR. We will give that is 5 years, and PMT is minus 3,000. Then we click OK. The exact value you got it. And then last but not the least, it is PV. So yes, last PV, and the same it is asking interest rate,